Welcome, English learners. We are so happy you are here with us today. You are listening to English Fluency, the podcast. I am Maya.
And I am Liam. Hello to our global family. Maya, I have to say, you look very happy today. What is the occasion?
I am happy because of our topic, Liam. Today, we are answering one of the most important questions in the world. It's a question you hear at a new job, in a new class, or when you meet a new friend.
Oh, I know this one. Is it tell me about yourself?
Exactly. It sounds like a simple question, but for many English learners, it can feel a little scary. Sometimes you just don't know where to start.
Well, today we're going to make it easy and fun. We're going to show you that this question is not a test. It is an invitation to share your story. This episode is perfect for A2 level learners because we will use simple, clear sentences that you can use immediately.
But before we dive in, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click that like button. Sharing this podcast with your friends helps our community grow.
Okay, Maya, let's practice. Imagine I am meeting you for the first time. Maya, tell me about yourself.
Okay, I'll start with the easy things. My name is Maya. I am from the United States, but I live in a big city. It is very busy and noisy, but I love the energy there.
A big city. That's exciting. I am Liam, and I am from Canada. Unlike Maya, I live in a small town. It is very quiet, and I have a small house with a garden.
I love gardens. They are so peaceful. Now for the number question. I am 25 years old. How about you, Liam?
I am 28. See, we already have the first three pieces of the puzzle: name, place, and age.
Now let's talk about what we do. Liam, what is your job?
I am an English teacher. I love my job because I get to meet students from all over the world. What about you, Maya? What do you do?
I am a student. I study art. I love to draw and paint. It's very creative and fun.
That is so cool. An artist and a teacher. We are a great team for a podcast. Now, what about family? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother named Tom. He is 29. My father is a chef in a restaurant, so the food at home is always delicious. And my mother is a teacher for little children.
Wow, a chef. I am very jealous. I have one sister named Sarah. She is younger than me, and she studies music. She plays the piano beautifully. My mother is a writer, and my father is a doctor.
We can't forget our furry friends. Liam, do you have any pets?
I do. I have a dog named Max. He is brown, very friendly, and very funny. I think I am definitely a dog person.
And I'm a cat person. I have a cat named Luna. She is black and white, and she is very quiet and sleepy. She basically sleeps all day.
It's a good life for a cat. Okay, let's talk about hobbies. What do you do for fun?
Besides painting, I love to read adventure stories. They are so exciting. I also love eating pasta. It's my favorite food.
Pasta is great, but pizza is my number one. For hobbies, I love listening to music, especially old rock music. I also like to stay active by playing soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
To really know someone, you have to know what they don't like. For example, I love pasta, but I do not like spicy food. It's too hot for me.
I understand. For me, I do not like olives. I don't like the taste at all. I also don't like waiting in long lines. It's so boring.
Ha! Nobody likes waiting in lines. I also don't like waking up early. I am not a morning person. I love my sleep.
So, English learners, look at what we just did. We gave a very long answer by combining different parts of our lives.
You don't have to say everything at once. You can choose. If you are at a party, you might say, "Hi, I'm Maya. I'm an art student and I love cats."
Or, if you are in a new class, you can say, "My name is Liam. I'm from Canada, and I'm here to learn new things." It's all about being simple, clear, and friendly.
Before we go, let's look at some of the best words from today's conversation.
1. Perspective, noun. A point of view or a way of looking at something.
2. Diplomatic, adjective. Being careful and polite so you don't upset people.
3. Composed, adjective. Feeling calm and in control of your emotions.
4. Sibling, noun. A brother or a sister.
5. Creative, adjective. Having good imagination and making new things like art or music.
6. Loyal, adjective. Always being there for someone, a good friend, like Liam's dog Max.
7. Engaging, adjective. Something that is very interesting and keeps your attention.
8. Adventure, noun. An exciting or unusual experience.
9. Dislike, verb or noun. Something you do not like.
10. Invitation, noun. When someone asks you to join them or share something.
We hope this episode helps you feel confident the next time someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
Now it's your turn to practice. Go to the comments below and introduce yourself in 1 or 2 sentences. Tell us your name, where you are from, or one thing you like. We can't wait to meet you.
Thank you for listening. Stay safe and keep practicing.
I am Maya.
And I am Liam.
Take care of your English and take care of your heart. See you next time.